In this video, I will show you how to convert your monitor to a TV. So over here, I have this 32-inch HP monitor that I'm no longer using. So if you have any old monitor that you're no longer using, this video is going to show you how to convert your monitor into a smart TV. Now, first thing you want to note is that this will not be possible without a TV stick or a TV box just like this one over here. Now, this is the Mi TV Stick and it is basically what I'll be using in today's tutorial. This particular device is very affordable and can be gotten from any tech store closest to you. I am also going to leave a link in the description of this video where you can actually get it at an affordable price. And once you have it, you can go ahead and follow the steps in this particular video to convert your old monitor into a smart TV. Now, inside of the Xiaomi Mi TV Stick, there are actually a couple of accessories that comes with this particular device. For instance, this is basically the remote of the device. So once it is connected to your TV, you should be able to control the monitor using this particular remote control. There is also this stick over here, which is basically the TV stick, and this particular cable that should be plugged into the stick, and this end should be plugged into the power source. Now I'm going to show you how to connect these accessories to the monitor and automatically convert your old monitor into a smart TV. Now, first things first, you want to come over to the back of your monitor and then you want to go ahead and connect the Mi TV Stick into any of the HDMI ports on your monitor. Now, some monitors actually come with more than one HDMI port, but if your monitor actually comes with just one HDMI port, then you want to go ahead and plug the Mi TV Stick into the HDMI port on your monitor. So I'll just go ahead and plug it to the HDMI port. You can actually see that mine is actually labeled HDMI over here. So I'll just go ahead and plug it into the HDMI port on my monitor. You also want to make sure that it is firmly plugged so you won't be having any issue. Now, once it is plugged into your monitor, what you want to do is to go ahead and plug the other end of the cable that is being plugged into the Xiaomi Mi TV Stick over here into the power source. So you can go ahead and get any charger brick just like this one, and then make sure you plug this end of this cable into the charger brick. Okay, so just go ahead and plug it just like so. And once it is plugged, you can now go ahead and plug in this charger brick into the power source. Once it is plugged into the power source, you can now see that the Xiaomi Mi TV Stick, which is connected to the HDMI port of my monitor, is now showing this light over here, indicating that it is now connected into the power source. Now, what you now want to do is to head over to your monitor now. Now, you want to go ahead and turn on your monitor just like so, and automatically your monitor should be able to find and recognize the Android TV stick that has been plugged into it. Now, what you just want to do is to come over to the Xiaomi Mi TV Stick remote, which I showed you before, and then you want to go ahead and just press the home button or any button on the remote, and now you have successfully converted your monitor into a smart TV. Now, another thing you want to note is that if you're actually using this device for the first time, you will have to go through all of the setup processes before it actually gets to this particular page. So you have to connect to your Gmail and set it up before you can actually get to this screen. Now, this particular device allows you to do other things. For instance, you can actually get to the Google Play Store. So if you come over to the app section, you should be able to find the Google Play Store over here. So I can go ahead and click on the Google Play Store just like so, and I should be able to download and install any apps I want from the Google Play Store. You can also go ahead and sideload apps into your monitor that is now a TV. Now, finally, one issue you might also face is the fact that if your monitor does not have an inbuilt speaker, then you will find it difficult listening to the sounds that comes out when you try to stream videos from YouTube or Netflix, or just any video or sound from this particular monitor that is now a TV. But this particular device actually solves this problem, because if you go over to the settings over here, just like so, you should be able to connect your monitor that is now a TV to a Bluetooth speaker. That is basically how to convert your monitor into a TV. If you find this video useful, guys, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.